Going on a date again tonight. Hey, madam, you want to leave the show? Come on, date rush! Don't sound like your Airtel Tigo money, account balance. Don't do it. Give me energy. Date rush! What I'll say. And when I say rush energy drink, the smart. We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
So we've seen our first gentleman already, Kwesi, and it went pretty well for him. But now let's get talking to our second guy, and Nidini Nekumino, Dennis Sean Ashley, aka Sean Lee. No, the China, like Chun Lee, like Kun Lee. You know what I'm talking about. But you're welcome to the Rush Lounge. Your drip, shoes, kakra, shirts. Hey, wait, who put everything together for you? Yourself?
I picked it up.
Why, are you into fashion?
Somehow.
Yeah. But now let's move away from fashion and talk about love. Okay. What does love mean to you?
Love means everything,
It means everything to you? It
means everything.
Okay, so Airtel Tigo wants to give you something to, put you in a good mood. So I'll ask you just one question. It's okay if you don't win, I'll let you pick something. Don't worry. If you don't get it correct, I'll let you pick something. Let me ask you the very, very simple one. So it says that you are planning to go out with your friends and you need to call them all. Only Kofi and Ama use Airtel Tigo, but not Equia. What Airtel Tigo call bundle can you use to call all your friends? This one, you will not get it.
That's a tight one.
That's a tight one, eh? But
I forgot it. Airtel Tigo.
So, I'll just give you a clue. The first one is Fuse. So, Fuse what? The bundle you
Fuse
use.
bundle.
Oh, Fuse bundle! Oh, you're such a smart guy. You know something? Pick one and let me see what you're getting. And then I'm like,
one of these or those.
No, that one, the papers. Okay. Yes. Let me see what you're winning. Oh, Airtel Tigo wants to give you 100 Ghana cedis. That's Airtel Tigo money.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What do you have to tell them? Just your camera. Just look into your camera and tell them something.
Airtel Tigo.
Hey,
you kill it.
Hey, we're going to kill it on the stage, right?
Yeah, I'll do my best.
I'll do my best. Go and get a date and come and let me give you more Rush energy drink. What do you say?
High five. Thank you, sir.
Vitamins, ginseng, taurine, inositol.
You know, say no pain, no gain. Na babaji pay. No bread, no day, don't mess with my hustle.
That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Date Rush. Date Rush! Yeah, that includes you at home. So please predict and win on Airtel Tigo. Now, what we're doing is for you to download the TV3 Reality app or dial *713 *14#. Now, you get to have exclusive access to behind the scenes. And also predict the couple you see going or leaving the show. First episode. First magic. Our first people, congratulations once again going out to Michael and Portia. Please give it up for them. Yes! And the reason we go for our commercial break is to revive our energy with some Rush energy drink, the smart way, the smart way to do things. And we're saying thank you very much, Trillium Industrial, for that. Now, are we ready for our replacement for Portia? Now, this lady, you should see her yourself. Bebre, esimudre kakshra, dance moves kakshra, back kakshra. Oh yeah. Tone, skin tone, semi-tone. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it out for Odelia! Yeah, so why? For your first question, why? Why are you single? Why? Why she moves? Why are you single?
Okay, Giovanni, my parents are very strict, so I don't get a chance to go out.
Hey, strict won't work in you. They know why they are protecting you.
Sure.
So how did the last relationship end?
He left for school.
He left?
Yes.
For school?
Yes, please.
And he took his phone away? Zero communication, nothing?
He took his heart away.
He took his heart away. Oh, that's sad. But you've moved on, right?
No.
What's your kind of guy? I want to shock you tonight. What's your kind of guy?
I want a bearded guy. Pink lips, kakra.
Thank you.
Broad chest. And the height.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. But you see, It's not going to be easy. You see all these ladies here? They didn't come here to what? Play. They didn't come here to play at all. So, well, if you guys are ready, I'm ready to bring on the second guy. Yes, please, profile video of our next gentleman.
My name is Dennis Sean Ashley. I live in Kaprais. I come from Kwabenyang. I have 3 other siblings, and I'm the last of them. I have a very beautiful family. My dad, my mom. I lost my mom about 2 months ago, but I still have my beautiful stepmom with us. I am 32 years old, and I am single.
I'm Kay, a friend of Dennis. I've known Dennis for 21 years. I've known him to be very ambitious, kind, religious, and most of all, a comedian.
I like people with positive energy coming close to me, and I dislike so many things, but snake is one thing that comes to mind, so I dislike snakes.
Knowing Dennis for this while, I've known him to be somebody who likes thick women.
My kind of woman is, she should just be matured-minded and thick. I like them thick.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we've had tick. And you tack. The ladies are like tack. The slim ones are like tack. But are you ready for Dennis? Come on, a round of applause for Dennis. Come on. Go. Go. That's right. Wow. What? Hey. And numb. That tick. That is welcome.
Thank you very much.
Charlie, it's what your taste be inside.
Charlie, them more are confused.
You dey sure.
Beautiful ladies, you're all looking good. Look good.
Just a tick kakra. Below kakra. Bibian kakra. Charlie, a round of applause for our ladies first off, yeah? And a bigger one for Dennis as well, yeah. We told you this season we ain't here to play, you understand? We ain't here to play. Ladies, you've seen our man. Even from the dancing, I mean, should we tell you everything? From the dancing, you know he's not here to play. So ladies, we've got 2 more videos to show, but at least after the very first one, you have to decide. Yeah? Anything to say before that? Before decision time, anything to say?
I want to ask him a question.
Adiepena.
Yes, are you a Muslim?
No.
Okay, I'm asking because of you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. My question is answered.
Yeah. Any other question?
Yeah.
Marie Chantal.
How long have you been with your stepmom?
Oh, I was with her for about 3 years before leaving the house. So.
Okay.
Sorry.
I was with her about 3 years before leaving the house she lived in.
Okay. All right, ladies. Decision time. Chai. What do we have here? Chacha, you are the first to go off. Why? First lady to put your rash off.
Giovanni.
You're not connecting with Atupa? Sorry, the dance moves?
I'm telling you, I'm even scared.
You
show them.
Oh no, he's just a music lover. Nah.
Enkoye.
Sir.
Yes, I can't. I'm sorry.
Because of the dance?
See, it's not because of the dance though. Imagine you are there.
Where?
There.
Where?
Let them know. Oh, in there I can't. Giovanni.
Okay. Just obedient.
Miss Ro.
Wow. Okay. Beauty, why are you off for Dennis?
I like his sense of fashion, and he's funny. He knows how to dance, but I don't think we click. I don't think we click. Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
All right. Will not fault you. Even though I know. Okay. Let me not be stupid. Why is your rash off?
He's a nice guy, nice looking, but in his profile,
he said thick.
He likes
I
thick
know
girls.
it. I mean, I know, but I want you to say it yourself. You were like, I cannot come and keep mine. That's right. So Dennis, are you impressed with those on, those off, everything? You're sure? You're sure the second profile video will do some more convincing?
Exactly.
All right, let's check it out.
Nothing bad really happened, but it was all nice and sweet whilst we were together until we were both involved in a fatal accident, and about a week later, we lost her at the hospital.
Dennis' relationship lasted for 2 years, and it ended in tragedy, where they were coming from a set and they got into an accident. Unfortunately, the girl couldn't make it.
It's been so hard for me carrying her in my mind all these years, throughout these years. I've tried so many times to get close to women because I do get the urge to find another lady for myself, but each time I get close, I feel I'm not ready, and I'm still missing it. Till this year, I felt my old self again, and I'm still feeling my old self. I feel I'm ready to mingle.
Oh, that's a really sad one, Dennis. That's a really, really sad one. Oh, man, I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with today, man. All the guys here have had that bitter experience of losing their partner at some point. And we are excited that you're happy to move on again.
Sure.
It's not easy, huh? How many years has it been?
2015, so.
Wow. Well, it's been a long time then. So since then, no girlfriend, right? You tried, but it didn't really work. Okay. It's good you're opening up. I'm saying this because the ladies are about to decide. And ladies, you know that. Decision time, ladies. All right, 2 out. Eugenia, what happened?
Giovanni.
Yells. Yeah, anytime you shake your head, you expect me to get it. I don't get it. I am very slow today. I don't get it.
Giovanni,
Yes.
he's a nice guy, cute, but I tried dating a guy who lost his girlfriend, and everything I do doesn't pleases him, so I'm sorry.
So based on your experience, you are protecting your heart and your sanity.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm saying it for her. There we go. Adepena, why are you off?
I like him more. But my issue was, it looks like he has not gotten over his ex.
Oh, after 2015?
Yes, according to his speech.
Yeah, he said he's ready now to move on. So.
But I don't want a ghost to hunt me.
No ghost.
I don't want a ghost to hunt me.
Sorry. Yeah, all right. So your reasoning is that.
Imagine I'm in my bedroom with my boyfriend and then not the day, baby. I'm afraid of that.
Superstition.
No, it happens.
It
happens.
Okay, I hear you. All right, but the other ladies are, hey, Barbara, today's like you're not moving anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You are inside. Ankasa.
Joe, please let her know I'm also here.
Hey,
Barbara, I'm here.
You are this time, dear.
I'm here.
You are not like Ara. You will not give up.
No.
Or Eugenia. Okay. Let me find out from you, madam. Lawrence. There is something about him that is keeping the rush on. Huh?
Yes, of course.
What's that?
I love his energy. I want to know more.
Hey, Mommy Taylor. That's right. Nice. Hey, new girl. You are not here to play.
Not at all.
What about him? What about him is keeping the rush on?
He's nice, but I'm waiting to see more.
You're waiting to see more. We have only one final video to show. All right? And after that, we'll decide. All right, so ladies, our third and final profile video is ready. Let's take a look. We'll be right back.
In the next 5 years, I see myself to be a very great actor known in Hollywood, if not the best actor from Africa.
Dennis has always wanted to be an actor and wants to graduate into being a Hollywood actor. So.
If I should get 100,000 Ghana cedis, first of all, I will pay my tithe and invest the rest in Bitcoin business.
I can't really say much, but I'm not Dennis to be a cool person. Anything you give him, he accepts. But I think for a relationship, if a woman is going to give him something, I think the woman should give him her time.
Date rush. Everyone deserves love.
There we have it. Oh, wow. How long have you been acting?
Professionally,
yes.
6 years now.
6 years. All right. So this is not one big movie you are playing, like
Not
this
at
is
all.
you,
Not at all.
outside the script.
Yes.
And we hear you also have a comedy, like you have some skits.
I don't have skits, but
you have.
yeah. I'm kind of funny sometimes in movies.
Yeah, so Jimmy
Kakra,
That's
but
right.
I don't have skits.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, that's okay. Ladies. Okay, hey, Curtis.
Hello.
Curtis, yes.
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay.
Please, what age did you say you were? Your age?
32.
32. Yeah, so your first or second profile video, you said you needed a matured lady.
Exactly.
Yeah, because I went out with someone who was 32 years, and everything was his say. Everything is fine now. So I want to ask, if you are in a relationship, what do you expect from your woman in decision making? That she has a say? Because, that's what I want to ask.
Yano?
Exactly. I believe being in a relationship doesn't make you bossy. You are two people, so you need to listen to your woman too. Perhaps
Okay, so if you are 32 and your woman is 21 years old or 22, will you go out with that person? Because you said you want a matured lady.
to be very, but being matured, to me, it doesn't really come with age, okay? But aside that, I wouldn't date a 21-year-old lady.
For you, the age matters a bit.
It doesn't matter.
date. Oh, okay.
It doesn't really matter, but me being 32, I wouldn't get married to, because I'm almost like, I'm looking at marriage now, okay? I want to settle
No,
down.
but what if she's 22, 21 and she wants to settle down?
I wouldn't fall for that. I wouldn't go to, I have my age range. From 20,
What's your age limit?
From 27 coming to my age, I'm okay.
All right. Okay, hold on. Ladies, don't decide yet. Hello, Eugenia. Eugenia wants to come in. No, so it's always good for a man to know what he wants, you understand? And this is a man who means business. I already made mention of this earlier. This season, we have folks who want to settle down. Charlie, where did you look at AMC?
May I say?
May AMC. Because men want to settle down. So no time for chukuchacha. And your DJ faculty. Hello? All right.
But Gio, if he is expecting someone 27 upwards and you are below, then you don't match his expectation.
You have a point. Cut, Tiano.
Okay. It depends on the age. You know, maybe I should have said 25 going, because 25 too, I think you're matured. Right. Okay. So
I don't think you really know what you're saying.
Giovanni, does he really know what he wants? Like, do you really know what you want?
Dennis, do you know what you want?
Exactly. I know what I want. And what I want isn't a 21 or a 22-year-old.
Age is not maturity, if you don't know that. I heard you saying that.
I have a question, okay? I have a question. You said 27 upwards. But you know age is just a number. And there are some people that are 27 and they look 22. Are you talking about aspect of that or the intelligence?
The intelligence, yeah.
So
that's why I said. That's why I said.
Marie Chantal.
I want you to answer me.
What?
I want him to answer me.
What's the answer again?
With his age limit, he said 27 upwards.
Was it 25? Is it about 25?
So with that, are you looking up for someone that looks 27 or someone that has the mentality of someone who is 27 years?
Okay, so if you listen, you realize that I said I wouldn't mind the age, but you need to be matured. And exactly. Okay. I'm not done.
Gio, I think her rush is off.
I'm not done.
No,
I'm not done.
Marie Chantal. Okay, guys, don't worry. We are yet to decide. So don't bombard him yet. Yes, let's speak with our rashes. But I will not be fair to you, Marie Chantal, if I don't allow you to have the final say. So, Marie Chantal.
Dennis,
Yes.
age is just a number. But my question is, you're an actor, right? And I know acting takes most of
your time.
Yes. So I want to know if she gets a date here, how sure are you are going to get enough time for your partner?
I believe that's why we need to communicate. You know, if I have a deal to go and shoot a movie, I really need to discuss with her. Okay, you know, I just can't move out of the house, and she knows if I don't move out too, there wouldn't be food on the table.
That's right.
So definitely, there should be some kind of distance from her, allowing me to go.
So if I say no, you won't go.
If you say no, I may not go, but it will hurt our home, you know. Yeah.
If you say no, he won't go, but you will eat your kagari. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, decision time. Decision time. What is happening? What is happening? Okay. That was the last video. Eugenia, who just went off? You? Oh, Odelia.
Yes, it's Odelia.
Odelia.
Yes, please.
Odelia.
Giovanni.
Yeah.
He's not having the pink lips that I wanted. And then the chest, no. He's not having it.
Yeah.
Yes.
You wanted someone a bit taller.
Yeah.
Hey, minya clear anka. All right. And then? Okay, sure. Oh, Marie, you're the only woman standing. You have a question for him. Okay. Marie Chantal.
Dennis.
Yes.
Regarding the age, I'm 24. Are you okay?
You are very beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh. Barbara, you went off after the final video. Why? You are too young for him. But you're not willing to settle? No. Not now? You want a few more years to know the person better. Yeah. All right. And Caritas. Yep. Talk to me.
Joe, it's not pairing.
No,
I feel he's a flirt too. I don't know if he's really a flirt. Like, I mean, so. And the age difference too.
No, like what? He looks like a player.
A cheap flirt, like.
Oh no, that's harsh.
So I feel he is.
No, Dennis, I mean, she's calling you a player and all that.
It's her opinion. She you know, it's allowed.
Yes,
it's allowed.
The age difference. He wasn't too sure of what he wanted. Yeah.
He wasn't clear on that for you. Okay. And Nadia Pena.
I already said what I wanted to
want
say.
To, yeah. So
Yes.
for you, it's a no.
With the age.
Okay.
At a point, I was falling in love. And he came with the age issue. I'm younger than that.
That's okay.
I don't want him to go for someone who is older than me whilst we are dating.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen.
Can I chip in?
Okay, yeah, Dennis.
You see, I said so many things about the age. Yeah. I said, you may be young, but matured-minded.
But I should have said that.
I said it, but it seemed like you've ignored, all of you have ignored it at once. But I said that. I said you may be young, but matured-minded. And but just that I don't really go around those age because most of them are not mature.
I don't know if you remember what he said. He said from 20 to 21. So it's a no for him in marriage.
He's clarified it now. He's clarified that.
I said 21, 22 is a no area for me.
Jill.
Yeah.
It's a no. So
but
I think.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yes. Last question because you are the one they are taking away. Hello.
Apart from acting, what else do you do, please?
I sell cars with my uncle.
You sell what? Dennis.
But
Dennis.
hold on. It's not my company. So
Giovanni,
it's not my company.
I didn't hear.
It's not my company.
He said he sells cars like Bentley.
No.
Benz, my guy, let me do the talking. Hello. This is where I come in. He sells cars full time, but part time, private jets and aeroplanes.
I want to come back.
You want to what?
Come back.
You want to come back? Oh, Delia! You are sure? Okay. All right.
I hope he chooses me.
That's okay. And then, okay, one final chance for those who want to come back. All right. Okay, so I'm sure you've got a question for them. Date rush! That's right. Okay. I'm sure you've got a question for them. Sure. Let's hear you. Now you have two of them. Yes, and with your question.
I need to ask just the two of them.
Yeah.
Well, if you should see a bag of money, if you should find a bag of money, full of money, on my left side, okay, and you see me dying on the right side, and you are in the middle, okay, and your strength can only allow you to lift one of. Which one are you lifting up?
Wait.
Which one are you taking
Let me
away?
see. The question is that he is about to die already.
Okay.
Then there is a bag of money at the other side. Don't forget that he's about to die, oh. But there is a bag of money smiling at you, saying, "Come chop me, Marie Chantal. Come chop me, Adelia. Chop me." Which one would you go for? And don't forget, he's about to what?
Die.
Thank you.
Okay, Giovanni, I'll save him. I'll save him.
You will save him?
Yeah.
Marie Chantal.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Definitely you will die. So I'll go for the money.
Dennis.
Okay.
Over to you. You are going to choose your date.
Yeah.
By going to the one you're not interested in, put the rush off, and then you dance away with your date, right?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Whatever you do, I will take you home.
All right.
I will take you home tonight.
No.
Whatever you say,
Okay.
I will take you home.
That's right. That's right. Yes.
Yeah, Giovanni.
Yes.
You say I fall in love too much.
Go ahead.
When I fall in love, it be serious. It be serious. I go all out.
Oh, wow.
And you know, I really did admire Day Trash. Wow. I watch Day Trash where I get some film say if I come top,
you will find love.
I will find love. And I make very happy.
And you're very happy. You like her, like.
As I come in then, Charlie, then I praise FC. You go.
Oh wow.
There is something about you bring me healing.
I will promise you, I want to promise you. I won't promise Sam right now, say.
It's okay. Wait. How did you get her sign? It fits perfectly, right?
It's ordained by God, so Charlie.
Oh. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, congratulations to you, Dennis and Marie Chantal. We hope to see you guys on the other side. All right? Don't worry, your date is fully sponsored. You're going to enjoy a lot of rush. By the time you come back here, you have enough energy to go around. Thank you. Congratulations. Wish you well.
Thank you very much.
Next time, don't carry a lady in a short dress again, okay?
Okay, boss.
All right.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
All right,
thank
bye-bye.
you.
Ladies and gentlemen, show them some love.
And guess who is back here with a date? It looks like today's episode here, it's gone really well for our guys. Dennis, you have shocked me. I'm actually lost for words. Watching you know when you came in, I didn't really think you can dance. I'm like, oh, this guy, sweet boy, fine boy association, that kind of thing. Then you get on the stage and I'm like, okay, is this the same guy who came here? Have you always known how to do this, or you actually prepared for this?
Oh.
This is you?
Yeah, this is me.
So how come when you came, I didn't see it?
Actually reserved until it is time for me to do my
See, it was even your ending when you were going to choose between the two ladies. That shocked me the most. But Marie Chantal, you were very already. Wow, you were very calm. You know, at a certain point you were not too sure.
Yeah.
You were not sure. You know, and Odelia coming in and all of that. Did you feel like this girl has come to spoil my chances?
Oh, I knew he wasn't going for her.
What made you so sure?
Because she went off. And you coming back, I don't think.
Well, because he mentioned the cars, you felt like, oh. And then your answer too was very funny. Okay, you know he's going to die.
But you will die.
She was honest.
She was honest, But the ring part, okay. Do you really believe him with this whole ring thing? How does it make you feel? Is it making you trust him more, or you're like, okay, let me just hang in there?
To be honest, I have a little bit of doubt.
A little bit of doubt. That what? It's all like a stunt or something? Or you're just leaving your options open to see what happens?
He said something backstage. So I just want to know more, like get to know more and see what.
But congratulations, guys. Thank you. You two make a beautiful couple. And trust me, we want to see how it progresses. Don't put us to shame, you know, that kind of thing. Like, make it work. Exactly. Congratulations and all the best. I'll be watching out to see if it leads to marriage. You people, Giovanni will come and MC me. I'll come and support the MC. You get it?
We pray so.
Wow, you were praying. All the best.
Thank you, Anita.
This is beautiful. But I saw you, Larissa, you were almost in tears. Why?
Giovanni.
Yes.
I really like him, but then.
but then it's too late. But then it's too late.
It's serious.
It's too late. But then it's too late.
He broke my heart by saying he liked the girls 25 and above and all that.
I know. That's okay. But guys, don't worry. Next week, I'm promising you another tight lineup. You love the guys I'm bringing on, okay?
Sure.
And those who respect your age. Yeah? You menyam with taste. That's right, dangerous! This season, I can't make promises. That's all I am saying. I will not make promises. We will shock you like that every episode. Shock. People are coming here with rings. Others are coming here with sayings and dark shades and looking into the skies and picking Porsches. Oh, what am I saying? But you know you have the power to predict who gets picked on the show when you go onto the TV3 reality app. All right, so please do that or dial the USSD code *713*114#. All right, across networks. And of course, life is simple like that with HM to go. Another round of applause to Rush Energy Drink. Smart Energy. Thank you so much. All right, so until next week, date Rush. Everyone deserves Yanka.
Next week on Date Rush.
That's right.
Me, I'm not education.
I came for the audition and he was also here.
To get more people pregnant. To fiakwa. Hey.
You were here, right? I was trying to dance with you, and you just noticed, like you waving at me.
He's mine. I'm not leaving him. He's mine.
Hey, what do you mean by he's yours?
You are not wenting anywhere.
I will not went. Please tell her to took me.
That's all.
We know the cool down, we did a step. The perfect one, we don't come in vest. Baby, I bro now, we go push make you vest. You vest, your mama go vest. You don't enter. Come on, check account, you don't enter.
Are you a bomber? Yes or no? Is she a girl?